Hello everyone, hope you're all staying healthy and safe. In this video, I'll be showing how to add a target line in Excel chart. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you'd like to see similar videos in future, please consider subscribing to my channel. In this worksheet, I have a table showing sales for each quarter. In order to add target line, let's first add chart for this table. In order to do so, I'll go ahead and click on Insert, and I'll select Clustered Column Chart. So here I have the chart for this table. Now, let's go ahead and add target values in the table. I'll go ahead and choose 20 as my target value. For the second cell, I'll type in equals and click on cell C6 and hit enter. And I'll go ahead and change this to absolute cell referencing by adding $sign in front of both column and row values. What this will do is when we change the values of cell C6, it automatically changes values for all remaining rows as well. So now I'll double click this value, automatically populates remaining rows with target values. So if I change cell C6 to 30, all the values changes to 30. I'll change the value to 20 again, and here is my target values. Now what I would like to do is add this target values to the chart. So I've clicked on chart. It automatically selects all the values of quarter and sales. So now I'll go ahead and drag this to include target values as well. The target values have now been added to the chart. I'll go ahead and click on one of the target values. Now you can see these circles on all corners of all the target values. What I'll do now is right click on one of the target column on the chart and click on change chart type, and I'll put in line. Click on line. Now here is our target value on the chart. I'll go ahead and delete these grid lines. You can also add other chart elements by going to chart design and add chart element. I'll go ahead and add chart title above chart, sales for year 2021, and you can also add other values as well. Hope you all like this video. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Have a good day.